Bitmoji stories done. Bitmoji stories done. Wow, cool parrot. Yeah, thanks. He was a very rare breed. Bark! Bark! I've been teaching him to talk. Hello! Oh, wow. Bark! Hello! Bark! Hello! Amazing, right? Bark! Hello! Sure, but can he say anything else? Rock, can I have $5? The end. Try and never miss a story. Bye.